Today they are gonna call us if we are not gonna graduate, and if you do graduate, they don't call you. So everybody is nervous today because obviously if you graduate or not. It's 3:57 and they haven't called me yet, so that's a good sign. And hopefully they won't have to call me like at night or something. So I'm pretty happy right now. I think I'm gonna graduate, but hello, there's always a chance that I don't graduate. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Get it? Remember a few weeks ago we bought like a huge bottle of jelly beans? Well, there was 1 kilo of jelly beans, and this is what it's left from eating so much. I think that's, let's see, that's 1/4. 1/4. Yeah, we eat a lot of jelly beans. They are delicious. Oopsie. Remember crayons? Ta-da! 64 crayons with built-in sharpener. Look at those colors. Wait, yeah. Ta-da! And the sharpener is here. Yeah. Peel back crayon wrap, blah 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 blah. Anyway, just felt like sharing this. These colors are awesome. Guess what? I'm bored. Coloring. Oh man, I remember when I was little, I used to play with crayons so much. Living the old days. Oops. I fail at filming and doing stuff. Ta-da! Oh my god. I've just noticed that I cannot draw anything. And never mind this face, and never mind this thing. This is pretty good, right? But like I kinda copy it from there. Ta-da! Lol. Guys, do you know what these remind me of? These remind me of like gun cartridge, like where the ammo is in it. So I'll put you here. So you have the gun, right? You have the gun. You load it, and the crayons also look like ammos, like bullets. Am I wrong or crazy? Hello, my masterpiece. No. Ta-da! You know what? I'm gonna sort these by color because they are all mixed up, and I like to see the rainbow color when they are in these cartridges. And I'm done. Ta-da! The white balance is off, but it looks cool. Okay, it's 9:32 and they haven't called me yet, so that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So tomorrow is graduation. We know they will tell us our result and obviously know if you graduate or not. And I'm pretty excited. Nervous? No, I'm not nervous at all. A lot of my classmates are like very nervous right now. I don't know why. Like, a lot of my classmates know they are gonna graduate, so there is no reason to panic, to be nervous. And tomorrow, I don't know. It's gonna be an awesome day. Tomorrow is gonna be an awesome day. I know that for 80%, I'm sure that I'm gonna graduate. So I'm not panicking. I'm not nervous, and I'm just waiting tomorrow to hear the official news. And yeah, you know what? I can't wait for tomorrow. Like, I want to go to school now and know if I graduated or not. So, guys, did any of you graduate this year? This to the class of 2011, right? It's 2011, right? Yes, 2011. And if you do, congratulations. If you graduated. If not, try again next year. Or this year, next. I don't know. So, keep it up if you have to do your year over again. Second chance, like, your second time will be better if you didn't graduate this year. And if you did graduate, congratulations again. Like, I'm gonna know if I graduated or not tomorrow. Isn't that awesome? So maybe some champagne, you know. I will try to vlog, but I'm not sure. I will try, because, you know, it's a big thing and I want it to be in my vlogs. So yeah, guys, excited, very excited. Hey guys, that was today's vlog. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to share this video on your YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, whatever sharing site you have. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And for those that want to follow me on Twitter, it's twitter.com/WinerBao. So I'll see you later. Bye.